Okay, so you want to know how to deposit Toncoin or any crypto on Telegram wallet? Well, I have the solution for you. So the first thing you have to do is to go to tonkeeper.com and press this Telegram button. You can do it on mobile or you can do it on PC, it doesn't matter. And you press the button and you will send to a chatbot here and you will press this button keeper and you will be logged in into Tonkeeper using your safe words. Okay, so how do we get Toncoin or any coin? Well, we press receive here and then we have to go to our exchange, our favorite exchange. You press deposit, deposit crypto, and then you press here withdraw crypto. So in the Binance case, Toncoin isn't here, but you can use some cryptos that use the Tong network, so for example USDT. And here you have to copy this one, this address, and paste it here. It will detect the network automatically, but in case that it doesn't do that, you have to select Ton, and then here you choose how many you want to withdraw to Tonkeeper. So when you press the withdraw button, you will receive your money just here. Then if you want Toncoin, for example, if you are using Binance and Toncoin isn't available, you can press the swap button here and do this, USDT, change to Toncoin. And that is it. This is how you can do that. So subscribe, like, comment, share, press the bell, and see you in another video. Goodbye.